Okay, sir. This is Farabi and Shadon and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So at first, I want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. This is our website, fsdfreelancer.com. In this website, you will find all of our contact informations and all about us. And if you scroll down, you can see my picture is attached here. And I am CEO and owner of the company. And if you go to our client meeting sections, then you will find lot of client meeting we have attached here. I am showing you. This guy is from USA and he gives us $500 work. This guy is from China. This guy is from USA. This guy is from USA. This guy is from France. This guy is from Czech Republic. And maximum of our buyer from USA. And if you go next, then you will find more and more buyer meeting. And if you go to our team sections, then you will find lot of team member working in our team and they all are expert. They working beside our team. They working on Fiverr and Upwork also, and Shadon is one of them. And if you go to next, then you will find 100 plus freelancer working in our team. And we have a YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, FSD Freelance Self. In this channel we have gained 177K subscriber and uploaded 165 videos. And if you go to my videos popular sections, then you can see 1.3 million views, 7 lakh 10K views, 4 lakh 90K views, 4 lakh 49K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So that is about our agency, sir. So recently, our team member Shadon has audited your YouTube channel and found some problem. So if you interested, then we will show you what problem we have found to your channel.
Like what problem?
Okay, sir. I am showing you just. Okay, sir. So our team member, as a test basis, he did your two video SEO, and you will get result within 1 or 2 weeks. So if you interested to our service, then you can hire us for a week or monthly. We have two packages for YouTube SEO. One is weekly and another is monthly. In our weekly package, we will optimize your 10 video and it cost $120. And another package is monthly package. In our monthly package, we will optimize your 30 video and it costs $300. So, sir, which one do you want to start with?
Now for the first test, I'll first wait to see how is the work going. Then maybe I'll reach out to him again
Okay, no problem. You will definitely
because
get views. Yeah,
hello.
yeah, I can hear.
Yeah, because what you have been explaining again, you have been explaining on the same video your team member he had just corrected. So I don't know if I can go with it or
Yeah, obviously, our team member optimized this video, and before optimizing, your video condition was too much bad. But now he grew your SEO score up to 48. Before your SEO score was only zero, and after a week or after 2 week, then your SEO score will go on 100 out of 100.
okay, okay. Maybe I'll reach out to you guys after maybe uploading. Do you want the videos to be unlisted or public?
Yeah, if you
Which one
want, if we
which
can do your both videos
is better
unlisted
for
or
you?
public. We can do both.
Okay, okay, okay. I
Okay.
guess I'll upload because I have like 4 videos in draft. Maybe we'll start with that. Let's try
Okay.
maybe next week if possible.
Okay, no problem.
Because now
So,
my
okay,
team
sir.
is trying to edit the videos. Yeah, then maybe when that is finished, I'll reach out to him.
Okay, sir. And if you need any video editor team or thumbnail designer team, or if you want to run a Google Ads or Facebook Ads, then you can communicate with us. We can assist you with that.
Okay, what about for the thumbnails?
Yeah, thumbnail, our team member, you just give your some video niche or video title. And if you have any specific image, then you can send to our team member. Then he will design 1 or 2 thumbnail for you as a test basis and he will show you. Then if you choose, then we will then discuss about thumbnail. Per thumbnail is only $10.
$10.
Yeah.
$5 you can't go
Uh,
because
normally,
I
sir,
have
we
a team.
Yeah, normally we do
Okay.
$10, but as you are new guy, we want to start working with you, so we can give you 50% discount, no problem. So we can do it by $5.
Okay. Okay. What about if I have less videos? Like you say the first what? You said it's 10 videos.
Yeah, yeah.
Now what if I have like three to 2 to 3 videos?
Okay, no problem. We will do per video basis, no problem. Per video thumbnail design $5 and per video SEO is $10.
Okay. Okay. Per video.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. So we try our best to grow your channel because your channel is very new channel. So we'll try to grow your channel. And as I showed you earlier, we working with lot of a lot of clients all around the world, and all of our buyer are satisfied with our work. And I think you will also would be satisfied. So if you have any questions, anything to know, feel free to ask our team member. And for getting payment, we support Remitly, Payoneer, and Western Union.
Okay. Okay. So you said Western Union, huh?
Western,
PayPal?
no, PayPal is not supported in our locations. We support Payoneer, we support Remitly, and we support Western Union.
Okay. Okay. You will send me all the details
Okay,
by
okay.
my email.
Okay, okay, sir. So thanks for your time and hope to work with you for a long time. And take care.
What about for the shorts?
Yeah, we also can do edit shorts and make shorts also.
No, no, I don't need to edit like CEO. I don't need, or I
Oh,
just upload random.
okay, okay. So we can do your both longer video and shorts form videos SEO, no problem.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. So thanks for your time and hope to work with you for a long time, and bye for now, sir.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Yeah, bye bye. Bye bye.